The CST XLP34 from Bosch Measuring Tools is the world's first mini line and point laser that combines dual 90-degree vertical lines with a 140-degree leveling line to create 4 points of 90-degree reference. This combination provides unparalleled versatility for fast, precise 90-degree square, leveling, and alignment, both indoors and out. Simply put, the XLP34 is a layout tool like no other. 2 self-leveling vertical layout lines at 90 degrees to each other cover 140 degrees to provide floor-to-ceiling layout in 2 planes. Ideal for layout of walls and partitions, the XLP34 pairs a self-leveling cross laser with a self-leveling line laser for all leveling needs. Combine the vertical lines, and the XLP34 provides 4 layout points: left, right, floor, and ceiling. The bright, clear horizontal plane provides level for dozens of jobs, such as cabinet installation, drop ceilings, floor and wall covering, as well as interior fittings and fixtures. Until now, contractors needed 2 different laser tools to provide a cross-laser level for leveling and alignment, and multiple layout and plumb points for wall and partition layout. The XLP34 does both jobs seamlessly. This breakthrough innovation bridges the gap between job site requirements for horizontal and vertical layout and the common requirement of layout points for 90-degree alignment of walls and partitions. The XLP34 also features lightning-fast electronic self-leveling technology to deliver superior accuracy and alignment in all job site conditions, with a flashing beam that warns if the unit is beyond self-leveling conditions. And using its selectable pulse mode and available laser detector, the XLP34 assures flawless performance up to 300 feet in bright light or outdoors for leveling applications like decks, forms, foundations, and footings. The XLP34 is available in 2 kits with multiple accessories for maximum versatility, including a universal tripod mount with fine adjustment, magnetic target and laser glasses, and the XLD2 detector and mounting bracket. Designed with job site conditions in mind, its rugged co-molded rubber housing provides shock protection, while its recessed welded windows provide IP55 water and dust protection. Simple, clear push-button operation lets any user quickly toggle through various laser, line, and dot combination options, creating one of the easiest to operate laser tools on the market. Accurate, compact, versatile, and affordable, the CST XLP34 makes this innovative dual dot and line laser combination with multiplanes accessible to a whole new market.